Stop vacuuming. This robot does it all. Tired of endless vacuuming and mopping? This Roborock Q Revo Edge, Roborock's latest flagship robot vacuum and mop combo, is here to revolutionize your cleaning routine. This smart robot boasts a powerful 18,500 Pascal suction and zero tangling technology. It effortlessly tackles pet hair and debris. The Q Revo Edge uses AI to recognize and avoid obstacles. It also features hot water mop washing for a truly deep clean. Plus, the self-cleaning dock empties dust, refills water, and even dries the mop. Setup and control are seamless through the Roborock app. You can schedule cleanings, set no-go zones, customize suction and mopping power, and even map multiple floors of your home. If you're looking for a hands-free cleaning solution that handles vacuuming and mopping intelligently, with premium performance and convenience, the Roborock Q Revo Edge is a top-tier choice. You can find the link in the description and pinned comment for more information and the latest pricing.